Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 8, unit number 1, that is crop production and management. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with question number 1, that is MCQs. First one, in which of following class is maize crop classified? It's option number B, rabi crop. Second, which of the following is a kharif crop? It's option number A, paddy. Third, in which of the following patterns are wheat and gram classified? It's option number A, rabi crop. Fourth, which is the traditional tool for tilling? It's option number D, plough. Fifth, which tool is used to break crumbs of the soil and leveling it? It's option number C, plank. Sixth, what is the use of seed drill? It's option number C, to sow the seeds. Seventh, which of the following is not a manure? It's option number D, urea. Eighth, which of the following is not a fertilizer? It's option number D, vermicompost. Ninth, in which system of irrigation is water not wasted at all? It's option number C, drip system. 10th, which tool is used to remove weeds? It's option number A, khurpi. 11th, 2,4-D is which type of chemical? It's option number B, weedicide. 12th, which dried leaves are used for storing food grains at home? It's option number B, neem leaves. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. Second, the damaged seeds would float on top of water. Third, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water as well as nutrients from the soil are essential. Fourth, the time duration for rabi crop is generally from October to March. Fifth, the crop which is sown in rainy season is called kharif crop. Sixth, the paddy crop requires more amount of water, so it can be cultivated in monsoon. Seventh, the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling. Eighth, nowadays ploughing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. Ninth, the leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. 10th, wooden plough contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. 11th, the supply of water to crops at different time intervals is called irrigation. 12th, the separation of grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Now question number 3, answer the following questions in one word. First one, what is the crop grown in the winter season called? It's rabi crop. Second, what is time period of kharif crops in India? It is June to September. Third, which traditional tool is used to break crumbs? It's plank. Fourth, which modern tool is used for sowing with the help of tractor nowadays? It is seed drill. Fifth, which bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants? It is rhizobium. Sixth, what are undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop in a field called? It is weeds. Seventh, which implement is used for manual harvesting in India? It is sickle. Eighth one, which mechanical implement is used for harvesting? It is harvester. Now question number 4, true or false? First one, paddy is a kharif crop, it is true. Second, gram is a rabi crop, it is true. Third, the field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes, it is true. Fourth, a seed drill is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil, it is false. Fifth, farmers select good quality of seeds for sowing, it is true. 6. Use of fertilizers improves the texture of the soil as well as enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. It is False. Now question number 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First one. In which class are plants classified on the basis of season? So plants are classified on the basis of season into kharif crops and rabi crops. Second, how are earthworms and microbes helpful to farmers? Earthworms and microbes turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it, so they are helpful to farmers. Third, how do the soil organisms add humus into the soil? The soil organisms decompose dead plants and animals. Various nutrients held in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. Thus, they add humus into the soil. Fourth one, mention the type of plow. So there are two types of plow. That is, first is wooden plow and second is iron plow. Fifth, what may need before plowing if the soil is very dry? If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. Sixth one, why are seeds covered by the soil during sowing? Seeds are covered by the soil during sowing because this prevents damage caused by birds. Seventh, what is the use of a plank? A plank is used to break the soil crumbs and level the soil. Eighth, if manure is to be added in the soil, then it should be added to the soil before plowing the soil. Why? Because it helps in proper mixing of manure with the soil. Ninth, what is NPK fertilizer? A fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is called NPK fertilizer. 10th one, state the sources of irrigation. The sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. 11th, state the name of modern methods of irrigation. Modern methods of irrigation are sprinkler system, drip system. 12th one, when should the weedicides be sprayed? The weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth of weeds before flowering and seed formation. 13th, state the harvest festivals in India. The harvest festivals in India are Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya and Bihu. Now question number 6, that is define. First one is plowing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Second, fertilizer. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called fertilizers. Third, irrigation. The supply of water to the crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Fourth, weeding. The process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Fifth, harvesting. The cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. Now question number 7. Answer the following questions in short. First one, write a short note on sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality of seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at proper distances and depths. Second, write a short note on weeding. The process of removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. Third one, write a short note on threshing. Harvesting is the cutting of crop after it is mature. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds needs to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combined harvester and thresher. Fourth one, why is paddy not grown in winter? Paddy requires a lot of water as it is a kharif crop, whereas in winter climate is cool and dry, so paddy cannot be grown in the winter season. Fifth one, what effect would be seen due to continuous plantation of crops in a field? Explain. Plantation of crops in a field continuously can make the soil infertile as plants absorb mineral nutrients. The nutrient contents in the soil go on decreasing. Sixth one, what are weeds? How can we control them? In a field, many undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. Manual removal, first point is manual removal. It includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. Second one is tilling. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. And the third one is chemical method. It includes the use of certain chemicals called weedicides, for example 2 or 4D, for controlling weeds. Seventh one, what are kharif crops and rabi crops? Give two examples of each. The crops grown in the rainy season are called kharif crops, example paddy, maize, etc. The crops grown in the winter season are called rabi crops, example wheat, gram, etc. Eighth one, give four names of agricultural implements and state the use of each of them. Agricultural implements and use of each of them are: first one is plow for plowing the soil. Second one is seed drill to sow the seeds. Third one is khurpi to remove the weeds. Fourth one is harrow again to remove the weeds. And fifth one is sickle to harvest the crop. Ninth one, state the names of manures and fertilizers. Cattle dung fertilizer, compost fertilizer, vermicompost, green manures, manure obtained from gobar gas plant, urea, ammonium, sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK are the names of manures and fertilizers. 10th one, state the advantages of manure. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. It replenishes the soil with all nutrients. It is comparatively economic. Its effect retained for a long time. It is insoluble in water, so does not wash out easily with the rainy water. 11th one, state the advantages of fertilizers. Due to water soluble, it replenishes the soil with minerals rapidly. Its effect is instant and crop production increases. Fertilizer can be supplied according to whichever mineral is needed in the soil. 12th one, state the disadvantages of fertilizer. Water holding capacity and texture of the soil may decrease with the use of it. Due to water soluble, it washes out with rainy water. It is relatively costly. 13th one, which harmful effects occur to crop due to weeds? Which step can be taken to remove weeds? Harmful effects of weeds. Some nutrients available to crop from the soil are absorbed by the weeds, so required nutrients are not available in sufficient quantities to the main crop. Steps taken to remove the weeds are: weeds can be removed by tools such as khurpi, sickle and hoe. Weeds can be removed by interplowing with harrow. Weeds can be removed by the use of weedicides such as 2 or 4D. Now the main question number 8, explain giving scientific reasons. For that, first question is: modern agricultural implements should be used in agriculture. Modern agricultural implements such as harrow, seed drill, harvester, thresher, combine and tractor are used in agriculture. With the use of such implements, more work can be done in short time. No manpower or animal power is used, so it relieves the farmer from excessive labor. Economic benefit can be achieved with the production of more than one crop. Crop production can also be increased as there is no wastage of crop. So modern agricultural implements should be used in agriculture. Second one, earthworms are called friends of farmers. Earthworms inhabit in the soil of field. They make the soil upside down and the soil becomes soft. The excreted fecal waste of earthworms are being added in form of humus in the soil. The humic substances are added by deterioration of dead bodies. The soil fertility increases due to it. Third one, the soil should be plowed. Plowing of the soil breaks the crumbs occurring in the soil and the soil particles are separated. The clay of the soil turns up and down with plowing, so air circulation in the soil increases and the soil becomes soft. Seeds can easily germinate in the soft soil, so the soil should be plowed. Fourth one, rotation of crop should be done. The required specific nutrients occur in the soil for crop are constantly absorbed by it. If a single crop is taken repeatedly, so deficiency of nutrients occur in the soil and production of crop decreases. Rotation of crop also control the harmful pests of crop, hence rotation of crop should be done. Fifth one, use of fertilizers should be reduced. The soil texture spoils due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Sometimes crop may destroy or crop production is reduced due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. The soil pollution occur due to the effect of chemical fertilizers as well as the useful microorganisms occurring in the soil are destroyed. Now question number 9, write 2 points of differences. The first difference is between manure and fertilizer. Manure can be prepared in the fields. A fertilizer is prepared in the factories. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Now the second difference is between drip system and sprinkler system. In the drip system, this system is a boon in the region where availability of water is poor, and sprinkler system is more useful on the uneven land where the sufficient water is not available. Second point, water is not wasted at all by the drip system and wastage of water is negligible in sprinkler system. Now question number 10, classification. So we have two classifications. First one is of Rabi crop and Kharif crop. So that I have already done, and the second one is again manure and fertilizer. You can see and complete in your workbook. Both of the classifications I have done over here, so you can see and write it. Now question number 11, that is match the following. First one, Kharif crops, it's option number B, paddy and maize. Second, Rabi crops, it's option number D, wheat, gram, pea. Third one is fertilizers, it's option number E, urea and superphosphate. And fourth one, organic manure, it's option number C, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Now second, match the following. First one, weeds, it's option number D, khurpi. Second, harvesting, it's option number A, sickle. Third, irrigation, it's option number E, rahat. And fourth one is sowing, it's option number C, seed drill. Now main question number 12, that is answer the following questions in detail. First one, what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. The first type is sprinkler system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for the sandy soil. And the second type is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots, so it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. The system provides water to plants drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all. Second question, write a short note on harvesting. The cutting of a crop after it is mature is called harvesting. It is an important function. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. In our country, harvesting is either done manually by sickle or by a machine called harvester. Now we'll see the activities. First one, to separate damaged seeds from given seeds. The apparatus and materials are beaker, water, wheat seeds. And the procedure is, take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. Now the observation is, few seeds are seen floating on water. And the conclusion is, damaged seeds become hollow and are lighter, therefore they float on water. Now the second activity, to demonstrate that both the manure and fertilizers are required for better growth of plant. For that, apparatus and materials are 3 vessels or glasses, water, cattle dung manure, urea, mung or gram seeds. And the procedure is, take mung or gram seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal sized seedlings and put it in pots A, B and C. Add little cattle dung manure in pot A, little urea in pot B and keep pot C without adding anything. Pour some water in each pot and plant the seedling in them. Water them daily. Observe their growth after 7 to 10 days. Observations. Plant growth is fastest in vessel B. Plant growth is better in vessel A, but in vessel C, plant growth is slowest. Now the conclusion, manure and fertilizers are required for plant growth. Third one, animals provide us with different kinds of food. So in the table given below, I have written the items, means the food things which we eat, and the sources from which we get these foods. Okay, so you can see and write it. Now the conclusion, like plants, animals also provide us with different kinds of food. And here we come to the end of chapter number 1, that is crop production and management. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.